So picture this. You wake up one morning, you feel that your shoulders and neck are stiff, you feel a slight headache, you're feeling parched, and you don't feel like getting out of bed. But you still drag yourself to your desk because you have work to do, because you have been feeling unproductive recently. But once you sit down to work, you realize that you cannot make any decisions. You feel this weird fog in your mind, like you can't see your thoughts clearly. And you realize that even though you have had a night of sleep, you feel very tired. You see, all of these things could have a lot of different reasons, but something that ties all of this together and could explain these symptoms is a burnout. You see, a burnout is basically when you have run out of fuel. This usually happens due to a lot of reasons, which I can't cover in one video, but I'll cover some of the common reasons burnout happens, and I'll talk about how you can avoid having a burnout. The first thing being, you're setting wrong goals. You see, a lot of the times what people do is they set result oriented goals. Let's take this channel for example. If my goal was to have 1,000 subscribers, let's say, that is something that is not in my control. That would be a bad goal. A good goal would be something that is in my control, an actionable goal. So my goal is not to have 1,000 subscribers, even though I would like it. My goal is to make videos. This video that you're watching right now is part of my goal. On my to-do list, it says record burnout video. And after recording this video, I'll strike it off, and that will make me feel good about achieving my goal. Not exactly one-to-one, but it is better than getting burnt out trying to chase result-oriented goals. Look at what results you want, figure out what actions will lead to those goals, and have those actions as your focus instead of focusing on the results. And the second reason people experience burnout is almost similar. It is having unrealistic expectations from yourself. It is being too hard on yourself. You know what you're capable of more than anyone else. So you should know what you're capable of achieving. So why do you have unrealistic goals for yourself? Why are you making life harder than it needs to be for yourself? All you need to do is understand what you're capable of doing and set your goals. Maybe a little bit more than you can handle, just so you have that challenging aspect to it. Even then, it needs to be attainable. Goals are meant to be attainable. And the third reason you are experiencing burnout is simple. You are overworking yourself without realizing it. You keep telling yourself that you are not being productive when you're doing more than you realize. You're doing a lot. So give yourself a break. I'm not saying stop working and stop doing anything. I'm saying give yourself a reasonable break. Give yourself room to breathe. One of the ways you can do this is by finding a hobby. Find something that helps you recharge that battery, recharge the fuel tank that helps you keep going. Find something that helps you relax. All of this might be generic advice that a lot of people spew in videos and a lot of people write in blog articles. But I personally believe that no matter how many times it is repeated, it is worth it. Because you never know that you who are watching this video might take this video seriously and start giving yourself a break. So yeah, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next one.